This unit is an STE03 RRH03. It's a hydraulic lift, hydraulic clamp and hydraulic rotation unit. We're able to use this clamping head to pick up drums of different diameters and different styles. We have one fixed arm on the right and we have this moving arm, the clamping arm, on the left. First thing we do is set the height. We do this on the back panel with the up and down controls. So we want to be in the middle part of the drum. Then we wheel in so the right hand clamping pad is as close to the drum as possible before we clamp the arms together. So let's wheel it into the drum. Make sure your clamping pad is positioned in the middle, and then we press a button on the back to clamp the drum. As soon as the drum's clamped, we can press our lift button here. And then once we've achieved the lift height we want, we can press rotation. Then press our down button. Then to release the clamp, we have two buttons. We have to press two buttons which are spaced apart, and then we press them both at the same time. Now, when we want to pull the unit back from the drum, we turn the steering to the left and then just pull on the handle and just releases the clamping pad. We're now showing the same unit picking up these cardboard type drums. Again, wheel the unit forward. Ensure that the clamping pad again is in the middle of the drum. Press our clamp button. Then press lift. And rotate. The most important thing to remember when operating the machine is it's a single operator machine, and the operator must stay behind the unit at all times and ensure that no one is forward of this position, so you shouldn't have any operators in front of the unit while operating it. We're now looking at the rear control panel. First thing we need to do, we have these keys. We can remove the key from the unit to stop the unit being used. We insert the key, turn clockwise to the on position. We also ensure the emergency stop button is in the up position. And first thing we notice is the amount of battery we have on the unit. You can see this on the battery indicator meter here. Now, when we want to clamp a drum, we position the bands around the drum as we've shown previously. And then once we're happy, we press the clamp button. We press this continually till we see the needle rise on the gauge. And the needle must rise into the green section before we stop. So let's start clamping the unit up. Now got the needle in the green section, so we're ready to pick up the drum. And for picking up the drum, we press the lift button. And then to lower the drum, press the lower button. On this side we have the rotation panel. Press the green one to rotate forward, the the blue one to rotate back. It's obviously very important to lower the drum down to the floor before we unclamp the drum. So we lower down. Then to unclamp the drum, ensuring it's on the floor, we press both green buttons. You see now the clamp pressure has gone to 0.